All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. And it is 11/2024, 1st of November, 2024. And I'm looking at NVDA today. And this is why. This is what the stock looked like today on Friday here. Kind of a little rebound from Thursday's sell off. And it was looking to me like we got kind of a little climax selling here, but there's a lot of things wrong with this stock. I'm talking in the short term. Long term, it's still just kind of in this consolidation mode, and my mojo still tells me we could run up to $200 over the next few quarters. We just need to get out of this cluster here to begin with. That's kind of what I'm thinking long term, but short term, you can see where the stock has kind of rolled over here. And it looks like 140 is kind of the deal. A rebound or I'm going to have to turn this on. I got all kinds of squiggly lines on this thing. Yeah, it's just for all these different levels. In fact, you know what? They're gone. What I'm looking at here, though, is 140 is a really key level. Right there. It's where it absolutely tagged and bounced off way back in the day, back in June. Came up here a little bit. Everybody got all lathered up, and now it's down below here. So this is a stock that's absolutely just kind of mired in no man's land. And it's probably like if their earnings are going to be reported on the 20th, I don't know if that is I don't know if that's a confirmed date. Wang hasn't returned my call. I call him all the time, and like, Jensen, give me the inside skinny. He doesn't call me back. I think he's jealous of my leather jacket. But anyway, so I don't know when this is, but I know that right now 140 is a key resistance level, and I don't really expect much upside from this between now and then. It's probably going to just kind of wallow around in here. The only thing that could possibly change, in my mind, this kind of tenor, the only thing that could possibly change this would be like an unforeseen catalyst between now and earnings. I don't know what that could be other than like maybe this getting added to the Dow. So there's a report late today that NVIDIA is going to be added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's replacing Intel, which probably should have been replaced a long time ago. At the morning, on the morning of Friday, that's a week from today. So before the open on Friday. Now, where did the stock hit today? It hit right up essentially at 140, 139.83. But you can see what's going on here. Guess when the announcement was made? I think right about here, about 520. And the stock runs up right away. So I think this is a big deal. Remember, this is after hours on Friday. My sense is we're going to get through this on Monday. I have no idea whether this is going to go to new highs or not. As you guys know, there's probably a couple things going on next Monday and Tuesday that might kind of have everybody take their eyes off the ball. But I will say this. Now that NVIDIA is added to the Dow, there's going to be a whole boatload of mutual funds and Dow tracking funds that are going to have to buy NVIDIA before the market opens on Friday. So I think that's going to provide a big lift to this stock. Plus, it kind of gets it back in the news. Anyway, so this is my suggestion. I'm not even going to give you a stop on this, just because it just kind of depends on what you're why are you owning this stock? Maybe your stop's at $100, or maybe it's at 139.30. It's totally your choice. What I'm saying is I like the way now this stock is trading kind of right around this zone. I would still suggest just really, really watch 140 as the key level. What you're going to want, you're going to see big volume in this on Monday, that's for sure. But what you want to see is the stock not just going above 140, but closing, having a really strong close, right, closing at the high of the day, like right at the close, high price of the day on big volume. If that happens, you're probably going to see continued moves to the upside. But if instead the stock runs up here and then just kind of falls back below 140 and just closes right around there, then it's probably just going to kind of be a dud. So that's the way I trade anyway. I hope that this video is helpful to you. By the way, I am teaching a 59-minute trader class tomorrow morning. I think it's too late for you to sign up. Well, you still can if you want to. 59minutetrader.net. If you want to do that, I think it's 59minutetrader.com too, but you can sign up if you want to. You're probably not going to because this is out to you too late, and that's fine because guess what? You just hear about it next time and you're going to feel bad that you missed it. So that's all I got for you today. You guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you Monday.